you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. So we have a couple of things we have to do today. So before I have a couple of errands to run, but I decided to tidy up my space before I go anywhere. So I decided to just give the house a quick tidy before I head out. So on this particular day, the kids were at school. I was left with diaries. You guys know, if you watch my channel, that I am a mom of 4 kids, and 3 of them are attending school, and I am home left with my last born, which is a handful of a son. He is a picky eater, so in the beginning of the video, that is just my sister. They're trying to basically trick him into eating type of thing. So that is my little boy that I am left with. So I'm just quickly trying to just tidy up the space before I head out. And I do look a mess, but I didn't really care too much about it. I just wanted to get this over and done with. This particular morning, I did wake up and do my exercises after my kids left, and then I took my bath. But I just felt like my space needed a quick tidy up. Not any major cleaning. This was just basically some daily cleaning that I needed to do. Thank God my sister decided to help me tidy up the kitchen. As you guys saw, the kitchen on this particular day was a mess. I don't know, I am not totally into my routine nowadays because of load shedding. Yeah, I'll definitely blame it on load shedding. But anyway, yeah, it's just the after of my bedroom, my living and dining space, and also my kitchen. Quick tidy, nice and neat, and also my kids bedrooms, where I also managed just tidy their rooms as well. So then, as I mentioned, I had a couple of errands to run, so I was on my way to their school, just to go and basically just to go and pay some school fees. So going to the school, I knew it was in and out. It's literally like, it's just like 5 minutes in and out. So I just requested an Uber and went to the school to go and do that.
Don't run, Tyrese.
So here's me just chasing after Tyrese. This guy is getting stubborn, and by the day, he's just a very active person. So I rushed home basically to start cooking before my husband got home. So unfortunately, I did not manage to get the things that I needed to do. Basically, just decided to leave it for the next day. So here is me just preparing some dinner for my family, something quick and fast, since I felt like I didn't really have much time. So I just prepared some rice, and then also some mince with some baked beans, and basically just tomatoes and some onions. Nothing fancy, just a quick meal. I hope you guys enjoy this short video. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Thank you for consistently checking out my videos and sticking around with me. I will see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. stay safe and stay blessed. Yeah, see you in the next upload, guys. Bye.